Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, light in weight, beautiful collection, apt for all situations and also gift purpose. And here we have a bright and beautiful combo of bottle green color pallu, fully zari woven, golden zari pattern pallu, and we have same pallu color blouse piece. Blouse piece also carries the border. Here we have dual color border. The border is both golden zari as well as the pallu color combination, and the saree is here in a beautiful dark chilli red with very elegant motifs, which is all over woven. Golden zari motifs, simple motifs, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, Dupian finish weaving, which gives a beautiful raw silk effect. A very elegant handloom and exclusive saree in an elegant color combination. Here we have pink and pink, baby pink saree color, and we have a dark rani pink color pallu. A beautiful combination. We have 3D type buttas in diamond pattern, which is done using both zari as well as thread, and you can see the Dupian finish weaving, which gives a raw look. And we have a double border here, zari as well as thread border, and we have a beautiful pallu. Pallu is also fully woven elegantly in hand with Dupian finish threads, and we have plain blouse piece in pallu color. Excellent combo, unique combination, comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful and simple lightweight saree. The contrast pallu blouse combination. Here we have rani pink color pallu, beautiful shade with fully zari woven design, simple and beautiful pallu with same color blouse piece. The blouse piece also carries the border. Tussars are already being done, and we have a beautiful, very traditional, always in demand bottle green color body here. Simple booties. It is woven all over, and we have a very elegant dual color. One is color, another one is zari border, and the complete saree is hand woven, comes with authentic Silkmark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, unique lightweight beautiful color combination sarees here in an excellent royal blue color pallu. The saree's pallu is very rich and zari woven with borders, and we have tassels already done. Same royal blue color is given for the blouse also with border. The blouse is completely contrast to the saree color. The saree color is a very beautiful and rare, a peach and pink mixed beautiful light pink shade with simple booties all over, closely done booties, and we have two color borders. One is zari border, another one is the pallu color border. Excellent saree, it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk, a light in weight, beautiful Dupian finish saree, which gives a raw silk look. Also a beautiful and exclusive design, 3D type buttas. The color combinations are also very attractive. Here we have an eye-catchy green and pink combination, bright parrot green color, and you can see the Dupian finish weaving here all over the saree in a vertical pattern. We also have 3D type buttas done using zari as well as pink thread. We also have dual color borders. The pallu is a bright rani pink color with all over Dupian finish thread and zari weaving, and we have same pallu color blouse. Excellent combo, very attractive, comes with authentic silk.